Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to work with switch statements, and they are extremely useful solution when you are creating some kind of menu for games, let's say. You can do that with if else, but switch is way better. Okay, so let's do that. First we're gonna have some kind of explanation like option 1, 2 and 3, like audio settings and video settings and start the game, something like that. So this is just explanation, and then we will grab stuff from keyboard. Okay, so this is for when you type number 1. We're gonna start the game and a little bit of new line, and I'm gonna save a little bit of time with the copy pasting. Number 2 will be for, I don't know, audio settings. Okay. I mean, your switch will work without this, but it's kind of nice to have some kind of explanation what's happening. Video settings, right, and vertical differentiation, which will be just a bunch of hashes like this. Okay, so now we need to have container that will grab any of these individually. So just one container that will be, of course, integer, whole number. Name will be choice or whatever you like, and then printf, enter your choice. Enter. Hopefully I typed that correctly, because English is not my native language. Probably I typed that correctly. Right, so this is information to what is expected now, and this what needs to be typed. And now we're gonna use scanf to grab stuff with D as a placeholder for integers. And what is a target? Target is a choice. And when we are grabbing stuff, ampersand must be used. And up till now, this is cool, so let me just test this. Okay. So our program works up till now, and yeah, how to grab these individually? Well, switch, and it's blue. Color is blue because this is an integral part of programming language, so that's a keyword, and in most editors, integrated development environments, there will be difference between what you're typing and what is integral part of that programming language keyword. So switch, I'm not inventing this is part of language. So switch, little bit of space, and what is a target? What is a base for choice? That choice container. So type it here. This is our target, whatever it is from up here, 1, 2 or 3 integers, not important. And now we are going to roll with individual choices, like what's going to happen when end user press 1, how to react. Well, now another keyword, which is case, and now we're going to target 1. Okay, so in case that choice is a 1, we must do something. So how to go to that operation? Then we must use it like this. Okay, don't forget this symbol. And then operation. For simplicity reasons, we're just going to printf, and these days I don't know how to type. Printf, and we're gonna say like a start game. So usually, for simplicity reasons, this is just printing stuff on the screen, but usually this case 1 will call function that will start game and other things. So this is for simplicity reasons, but functions will be activated, and we're gonna learn about functions, don't worry. Okay, so now what? Because this is individual instruction, we must use semicolon. But is that enough? Well, no, because we need to limit end user. When you type 1, you type 1 and that's it. Okay, no more options. How to do that? Well, we are going to use a new keyword, which is break. So when you type 1 and you press enter, that's it. That's your choice. So no more input. So case 1, that's it. You're happy, PC is happy, and this is place of break. This stuff will start rolling on the screen, whatever it is. Okay, so this is in case that case 1 is typed. And what about other cases? We have them 3. Okay, so let me copy paste this to save a little bit of time. So in case that you type 2, this will be audio settings, like sub menu for audio settings. And number 3 will be for video settings. Okay, number 3. And what's gonna happen if you type some kind of error? Will you type like a case again? Well, no, because you don't know what kind of error while typing you can type. So you're gonna use default here. Default is also like alternative. It's a all-encompassing solution to whatever gibberish you type as an error. So how to do that? Default, and see it's a blue, so keyword, part of programming language. And now you go to like explanations, other functions, printing stuff on the screen, I don't know. So let's do that, like a printf, and we're gonna have a warning to end user or something else. Check your input, okay, a little bit of a new line, and then we will explain again, not just here, but also down there, like briefly what is happening. Like type 1 for start, type 2 for what was it, audio, and type 3 for video. And also let's grab this, and we're gonna put it here because it will be prettier as an end result. Right, so let me check that one more time. Blah blah blah. Okay, this was checked. Ampersand, then form a specifier, switch, a little bit of space. What are we targeting from here? We have solutions for case 1, 2 and 3. In case 1, starting game. Case 2, audio settings. Case 3, video settings. Break needed, because you need only one options and not a bunch of them. And if end user types some kind of gibberish, then default will catch that, and it will print, yo dude, what's up my man, check your input. Okay, and it will be shortly described what needs to be typed, and then like some kind of ending header, I don't know, whatever you want to type here. Right, so this is just an example. Don't force yourself to create like beautiful interfaces right now, because you can just Google console interfaces, how they look, especially some old games, telnet servers and stuff like that. Yep, so let me check that. Right, so there you go, that works. Start game, blah 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 blah. Okay, 1, start the game. That's cool. So we're gonna also learn a little bit later how to roll this all over again, how this piece of code can ask you again, but now we are going to do stuff manually to compile it multiple times. Okay, audio settings. Okay, 3 for video settings. That's cool. And why I don't see this line? I think that I don't see it, or I'm not paying attention. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's only when default is. Stupid me. Now it will be activated. Okay, there you go. So it is activated, I think. Yeah, we do have 2 of these, so that's cool. Sometimes I just cannot see obvious things, so I'm just gonna change it to here, to this one. I'm a little bit weird, you know, it's hot outside. It's like plus 35 Celsius. There you go. Now I can visually detect it without thinking. Okay, so this is cool. And now I'm gonna type some gibberish to provoke default. Oh, there you go, there you go. So that works. Yeah. Probably if you need this stuff on a screen, you can press Control negative, Control minus minus minus, and there you go. Now you can see all the source code on your screen if you are watching this without typing up till now. Now you can retype it. Cool stuff, yeah. Cool stuff, bro. There you go. In the next tutorial, we're gonna also do something fun. I don't know, I will think about something. Yep. Thank you for watching, and see you next one. Ciao.